Alright guys, we are still in Albuquerque, if you've been watching some of the footage up until now. And we are actually in Uptown Albuquerque, which has the Apple store. It's got a really cool gelato place called FROST. I'm sure we're going to visit that. I can't avoid gelato. And we'll show you around some of the sights and sounds, stores, locations around here. And while we're here, we're going to do a little Jeep ducking. We've got this little guy right here, a little soccer duck. Soccer's big in Albuquerque, by the way. I got this really cool Jeep right here. The Rubicon. They do have some ducks on the dash, so that's always awesome. So see those ducks right there? They got a Santa duck and so on. But anyway, we're gonna give him another duck. This little guy right here. And so we'll do some ducking. We will also do some shopping. So we'll keep on going.
In last week's episode, we stepped back in time and explored the historic streets of Santa Fe. But today, we're trading adobe and history for a more modern side of New Mexico as we head into Uptown Albuquerque. Uptown is one of Albuquerque's biggest shopping and entertainment districts, bringing together three major destinations: ABQ Uptown, Windrock Town Center, and Coronado Center. And there's a lot to explore. At ABQ Uptown, you'll find popular names like Apple, Anthropologie, Banana Republic, Michael Kors, Pottery Barn, Williams-Sonoma, the Northface, along with restaurants, coffee shops, and even places to grab some gelato. So today, we're swapping historic landmarks for shopping bags, great food, and a little modern Albuquerque fun.
All right, there's a Jeep pulling up. Let's duck them. It's a really cool Rubicon. They just now pulled up. I think they need a duck. Hey, can I give you a duck to go with your duck? Pardon? Can I give you a duck for your Jeep? It looks like your little duck needs an extra duck over there. All right, very cool. All right, that duck now has a friend. All right, so evidently my family has beat me to Frost, which is one of the biggest reasons why I'm here today. It's like the most amazing gelato, and we ate here several years ago, and it's a must stop for anybody that's into gelato, ice cream, and so on. The best stuff ever. So we're going there now. Or at least I'm going there. They're already there. They've already beat me.
My unquenchable sweet tooth has a way of pulling me towards ice cream shops and bakeries like a tractor beam. And after mentioning Frost earlier, you knew this stop was coming. This is actually a return visit for us. About 6 years ago was our last trip. And with 38 flavors of gelato and sorbet to choose from, I was more than happy to see what they had to offer this time around. Of course, one flavor simply wasn't going to cut it, so I went with a large cup and 3 delicious flavors. After all, we've traveled this far. It would be rude not to do some serious taste testing.
All right, so wandering around Uptown, I've got my Frost waiting on me back there. It's going to be delicious. I tried 2 of the samples. I didn't try the Irish whiskey one yet, but I've got some grandkids around me, and we're going to duck a really cool Jeep, and they got ducks all over the dash. So let's check it out. This Jeep, this awesome lime green or bright green Rubicon with all of these ducks on it. It says, "My driving scares me too." That's pretty hilarious. I love those kind of accents and stuff. And so we're gonna go ahead and duck this Jeep with this really cool, show them the unicorn we're gonna duck it with. Right there, we're gonna give them this unicorn right here. So let's go put it on the handle. All right, here we go. All right, she is ducking the Jeep. They're gonna like that. Gotta wedge it in there. Sometimes you gotta do it just like that, like so. We're gonna push it in there so it doesn't blow out. All right, say, hey, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
There we go, guys. Cool Jeep, cool duck. Let's go eat some Frost. The way back, family's eating over there Frost, and mine's melting away, or they're eating it. They could be eating it. Don't eat my Frost. So we're on the way over here, and oh, they said it's half gone. Surely not. But we got another Jeep over here. So let's check it out. No ducks on the dash, but a really cool Jeep nonetheless. And my grandson's going to go ahead and duck it for me. So right there he goes with that really cool duck. So say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
How's the peanut butter? Let's see which one this one is.
Irish whiskey.
Yeah, there's Irish whiskey's really good. And lemon. There's 2 different kinds of lemon. A lemon kind of, what was the lemon? The other one? Limoncello. It was okay, but this one's more lemony. If you like key lime pie, which my wife does not. In fact, I'll show a little clip of where we're eating key lime pie in Florida, and she tells me exactly what she thinks.
I'm going to try this, even though I don't usually like key lime pie. Still don't like key lime pie.
But anyway, here's the lemon. Delicious. Second bite. So just a little insight. I love ice cream. I love sweets. I got like every single one of my teeth are sweet teeth. Yes. And let's try a little time lapse with some gelato. Why don't we? That should be interesting. So Frost was really good. I'm sure that time lapse really made it look like I had a serious problem going on there, and it's probably a serious brain freeze, but no, it was really good. I ate it much slower than it appeared on the time lapse. But check this out. We have another Jeep over here, and I've got some grandkids right here behind me. We're gonna duck that Jeep over here. So let's check it out. And so it's a little 2-door Rubicon, pretty sweet looking. Kind of hard to tell. I think it's a deep blue. It's really cool. It's got some headlights and some really cool accessory lights. We're gonna do this cat. So we just happen to have this cat duck with us, so we're gonna go put it over here on this Jeep. Right there, she's got it. It's wedged in there. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, that's a good job.
Just around the corner from Frost is puffed up candy and freeze-dried ice cream. We met John, and he knew something was up the moment we walked in. There has to be a cure for this quest for sweets, but I'm not sure I ever really grew out of that toddler stage.
Shout out to John for filming me while I was filming him. Way to go, John. He's also a new subscriber, so y'all should pick up on that. Like and subscribe right there. I had Frost next door, like the unfreeze dried, and we're gonna have the mint freeze dried, so it's gonna be amazing. You good?
Sir. Good to go, sir.
Oh man, thanks so much.
Are you guys done with this water?
I think so.
Hear this? It's really good though. Delicious. Show me.
Look at this guy.
Okay. Got a Washington, a clown duck. What do you got? Little pink duck.
Owl duck.
It's not a little owl duck. Okay.
Or maybe.
So we just got done over at Frost and we ate some freeze-dried candy. I had the mint ice cream. It was pretty good. But My little group pointed out another Jeep over here that I missed earlier, so we got to go back to it. Here we go. Here's the one we got earlier. And we have this gray Jeep, black top, pretty big, beefy mud tire. Really deep tinted windows. Let's see if we got any ducks on the dash. Let's see. Any ducks on the dash?
Oh no. Nope. No
They are duckless, but they're not anymore because they're going to get a duck. So whose duck turn is it? Oh, okay. It's going to be your turn. So we're giving them a clown duck. Oh, no. We're changing it out with the George Washington duck. That's only fitting. It's like the 250th anniversary of America. So enjoy your duck. What do you say after you duck them? What do you say? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
There we go.
Papa,
Yes.
how are we gonna get to them?
They went to Northface. So that's where we're heading right now. We are going to Northface. That's where our group just abandoned us so we could go do some Jeep ducking. So Northface it is.
Fire burning me. Fire burning me. Yeah. Fire burning me.
Oh my gosh, look at all the ducks. They are ducked up. They need one more duck, don't they? All right, let's go get them a duck.
We need to add one.
Right there, little pink duck. Let's put it on there. All right, good job. What do we say? What do we say? Like and subscribe. Say it again.
Like it, subscribe.
Okay, there you go. Thank you. Here we go. Let's go give it to him. Come on. Come on. Can we give you a duck? All right, man. All right, great deal. We'll see you. Take care.
So nice.
Take care. All right. Woo-hoo. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. All right, guys. I hope you've enjoyed doing some Jeep ducking along the way while we've been here in Uptown shopping area of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Lots of fun. We got more time and energy to spend here in Albuquerque. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys next time. Until next time, happy travels.
If you enjoy epic road trips, unforgettable vacation destinations, hidden gems, and those quirky roadside attractions, we'd love to have you along for the journey. Be sure to join us next week as our New Mexico adventure continues. We'll take you along to explore Old Town Albuquerque, where the city's story began way back in 1706. The plaza was once the heart of this Spanish settlement, and today is surrounded by historic adobe buildings, unique shops, galleries, and restaurants. Walking these streets, you're literally exploring more than a century of Albuquerque's history. We hope you'll come back for the journey, and until next time, happy travels.